Today we are at Florence Motor Speedway, and it's another day where we're going to have a full field, which is great for us because if you are new to the channel, we are running for the National Championship, and to run for the National Championship you need to have 16 licensed drivers at the track every single week, which we do tonight. That's really big because the Hampton Heat's going on right now, and we elected to race here instead of running the bigger race at Langley, just so we can race twice. So I'll go ahead and I'll put the current point standings up here now. We are still owed some points at this moment. They don't have our Wednesday win from Southern National in there yet, but we do have the lead. I'm looking to tack onto that tonight. So I'm really hoping for a solid night tonight. It's been a great past couple weeks. We've been on a roll. I think I'm gonna make a video talking about the whole national points breakdown, and a lot of people got on my ass about skipping out of South Boston last week, even though I was already there. But to be honest, nobody really has a say unless you're paying for my bills. So I'll make a video addressing that a little bit more on why it was a good idea and it was a no-brainer not to race. But until then, it was a good idea for us, and the risk reward was not there to even go out in the field and participate in that race. And it's nothing against South Boston. I really like racing there, and I've got a lot to learn when it comes to being better, but that's a problem for a different day. We're focused on today. It is hot as hell, and like I always say when it comes down to these Florence videos, practice does not mean much because the track is going to change so much between now and tonight. But hey, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, stay up to date with everything that we're doing all year. Also give the video a thumbs up. And we are going to be coming out with new merchandise soon, so I'm making everything 25% off on my website, so go to airdug.net and get what you can while it's still there. We're running low on everything, which is great. I would love to have no more shirts when I release my next drop. That would be sick. But let's get into the day. Let's have a great day, and thank you for tuning in.
Okay, this is getting crazy. Tigers getting cagey. Feeling something new. It's amazing. All the records breaking. History in the making. Feeling something new. It's amazing.
I feel really well about qualifying today. What about you, Douglas?
I feel fantastic. Well, we are getting ready. What did we wind up in practice?
Second.
12.9.
So we are getting ready to roll off for qualifying, and we are going out next to last. So let's see, we're trying a little bit different of a gear, and see what we can do. Stacker opened up a lot, so I was really free during that, so we rolled everything and we should be good to go now. This is going to be one of the races where it matters, so we're not going to be dropping to the rear at any point. Even if we don't think we can win, we still need to get up front and drop some of these bad races that we have. I'm looking forward to a hard-fought race. Matt's got a really good car tonight. He outqualified us by fucking 2/10, which is, I think I might have had that in the car had I not been so free. So we will see. We are ready to have a good night of racing, and let's get to it.
We're going the whole fucking time, so don't give nothing up. Coming back to the green, keep it tight.
Turn forward, brother.
Still outside, just barely. Clear high. Still clear high. There you go. Just you and him, no pressure. guy doing? out. Whole field's wrecking behind you. Keep it tight here. Still outside. Still there. Still there. 28's in line with them. Three wide. Two wide, two wide, two wide. Clear up behind the 28 if you want it. He's just him outside, door to door. Still clear behind him. Only lap 10 here. Be optimistic. There's nobody behind you if you need your lane, just that fourth. That was beautiful. If you're clear, don't take it though. I mean, I'd stay up there. Don't let him get up there. Block. Yeah, you're all good. We probably need to be second if in case the yellow does come out. Let's go. Come on. Clear by 3 now out back. Both lanes, so if you wanted to try it, now's the time. It's up to you. Your 1 and 2's better than his. I don't know what he's doing different 3 and 4, but I mean, it's really not drastic difference. Halfway. You're about a 3/4 straightaway ahead of fourth right now. It's lap 30. You got 9 to go right here at the line.
There's a big gap. The 94 is 8th, and then there's a decent sized gap to 9th, about 5 cars.
We are dropping. 2 to go at the line. All right, come back to the checker.
Position now, which is a good run for her. That's going to put her. She's trying to check up. They all checked up, and that hurts Kevin Parsons as they were trying to get that next position, and they wanted to slow up to try to get that invert, and it unfortunately for Kevin Parsons.
The 72 using the high side to get around Kevin Jackson.
Here goes 3 wide, Cam. 3 wide. Oh no!
Big wreck.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, so we forgot to do a talking thing, but we're getting ready to roll for race 2. We're going to be starting 6th, I believe. So our first race is a good points race. I didn't want to drop back and give it up because that was good for, I don't know, we gained a decent amount of points nationally, so that was a good finish. So hoping to go back out here and do it again. We should have another full car field. Let's have fun, huh?
All right, brother. Call me a good race. I'll run you a good one. Make it count.
Smart on this start, Dougie. Good luck. Go get them.
So I would like to run the bottom until we have to run the top. So just keep me peeled out back. 4. Coming back to the green. Still inside. Heads up. Come on. Still inside. Get up there with them. Get up there with them. Just the 94 inside. No pressure. Use your head here. Be patient. Use your head. Still inside. Still inside. Be patient. Clear low. Still outside. Still outside. Still there, just barely. Still there, still there, still there. Barely. Clear, clear, clear. Clear, clear, clear. Got no pressure. Come back to lap 4. get by her. Come on. Still there, still there, still there, still there. Get a good corner, you'll have her clear. Clear. Get in hard. Come on, not clear by half. All good, no pressure. Let's go get him nice and smooth. Lap 8. Nice and smooth off the corner. Don't kill your shit. So you got 3/4 straightaway gap over the 21, and the 51 is 4 back from her. So that's it. No pressure. Use your head. Use your head. Nice and smooth here. Don't do not bonehead. Your head. Nice. Come on. Oh, wreck him. Still clear by almost a straightaway over to 51. Your run up top, and you can probably get enough momentum to pass the blow down the back stretch. You had the momentum, you just gotta plant it low on him. Do that same thing. You got to go 51 coming, so he's 5, 6 back. Come on. Clear. Clear by 3. Coming back to lap 23. Killing them out of 2. Just keep that thing straight out of 4. Don't burn your shit up. Side by side behind you, about a half straightaway back. Back to 11, 1-1 to go here. That lap was a 2.5 to his 2.0. The lap he ran a 23 to his 43. Really good lap. You're in a 1.4 to his 34.
Save a little bit now. He's got plenty of distance. Save a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, he's not even trying to come no more, so just nice and smooth. Even that 33 to his 40 that time. That's what it takes. Come back to 4 to go. 2 to go at the line, and I mean, use your head right here on this car. Use your head. He's not going to get you. You just got to make 2 laps. White flag. You don't have to pass them. Clear, 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 clear. I just didn't want you to startle his ass and fucking spin into it or something. Come back to the checker, buddy. Good job. Woo! Good shit, boys!
Nice job, brother. Nice job.
That's what it takes. You loud fight. Good shit tonight. Big night. Big fucking night, boys. Great job.
Thanks, man. Look over here. Thank you so much.
So that wraps up a big points night at Florence Motor Speedway, and that's also win number 8 on the year. This is the most wins I've ever had in a season. I think I had 7 back in 2017. You know, that's almost a half decade away. That's 6 years. Jeez, that's the longest. Man, I just made myself feel so old. I felt that was my prime. I never really thought I would get back to that. But we were having one hell of a year, and I'm just super proud of my guys. Shout out Chase, AJ, my dad, my girlfriend for filming. But look, man, this Southern Heat is no joke. And even though today was a shorter schedule, they kind of kept things more compact and we started later. That way we didn't have to be out in the sun all day. I'm still beat. I want to go back to the hotel and go watch the Hampton Heat. I think there's 100 to go right now. But look, man, this has just been a great year. I'm extremely blessed to be in the situation that we're in now, and it just means a lot. Like it's crazy because looking at, if you've been following the channel for a while and you saw the season we had last year, this never looked like it was on the horizon. So I'm super thrilled, super grateful. And I take each one of these wins, even though it's like we're getting to the point where we got a lot of wins this year. I'm taking each one of them and really taking them in. We're gonna wrap things up here at Florence Motor Speedway. We're gonna be back next weekend at the Blake Morris Memorial at Dominion Raceway, Twin 72s. And the cool thing about that race is Blake Morris is Philip Morris's son. Philip Morris is one of the goats of late model racing. You know, I got a lot of respect for Philip. I like Philip. I've raced against him a good bit. I feel like he's really bettered me as a driver. He doesn't race anymore, but his son did unfortunately pass away a few years ago. So his number was 72, so they're running twin 72 laps instead of the regular twin 60s or 50s or whatever they have at Dominion. The cool thing about the red Ferrari is that was actually Philip Morris's car. I think Philip named that car Biscuits, so I'm hoping we can get some good runs next weekend at Dominion Raceway with Biscuits. But season is in full force. We got a lot of racing left. We are not letting up, not letting off the throttle. We got a lot of work to do if we want to end up with the goals that we have. So with that being said, if you are new, be sure to subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with everything that we're doing all year. Also give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week.